Because I'm not going to ruin his day or let you do it. These kids are hungry.
This is pretty freaking sick.
So now we got to wait on you. So again, we got to wait on you. Nope. Then don't. Then fine. Whatever. Think I want to hang out with somebody that's just going to be yelling and being a bitch and... Right. No, you're going to be in your mood, and I know come 4 o'clock you'll be in it again. I know by the night you'll just climb into bed when you didn't get the kids to bed. Everything's just be on me again. Just like you always do.
But that gotta be very crazy.
Oh, just last night. Because yeah. One time in their whole entire lives here with me. One time. Whatever. Whatever. Not gonna wait much longer. What's going on? You gonna come or not? Are you coming with or not? Why don't you get your fucking ass here and just go? Fine. Fine. No, because you keep asking me what we're doing and I've already said it like 50 fucking times. Boys, what are we doing?
Going to GameStop.
And?
Buffet.
Yep, they know. Because they heard me say it to you too. You know all this. That's what he wants to do. I'm sitting here in the parking lot. I'm not going to hang around Johnson Creek. For what? What's in Johnson Creek? Nothing. Gotta go to Janesville. I waved. You must not have saw me. I waved. Okay, so again, now you're going to delay it some more. I'm not going to stick around.
Let's go already, Dad. Who cares?
Yes or no, tell me. I just said, yes or no, are you coming? And you want me to tell you?
No.
What are we, 12? Oh, you're asking me if I'm going to stop. Yeah, I'll be a fool. I'll stop. I know it's foolish. I know it's going to be foolish. Yes, I'm going to be made a fool. That's like always from you. You always make me a fool. Oh my God, I'm going to go. Seriously. I don't care either way.
I'm coming over and everywhere now.
Okay then.
I just took all the bearings out, that's it. So they're all right here, all 3 of them.
What's going on with you here? Yes or no?
I'm gonna take the middle one out.
I can say what I want to say. It's on my mind. That's how I feel. It's not being rude. It's not being rude. It's me just saying how I feel. We're all hungry, so what's up? Okay, keep it going.
Yeah, I gotta get this off now. I use my brother's glasses.
Nope. So what's up now?
Just
then?
got this
There you
one
go.
like 3 days ago. I tried to mention my Rainbow one.
Gonna stop. Don't talk
Darn
to me
it.
like a kid. You damn well know. So I'll stop. Yes, you are. I don't need to say all that much. You asked me if I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna stop. Oh my God, you treat me. It's your day. Oh, a weekend. Mother's Day's tomorrow, sweetheart. Sorry, it's one day. Yes, it does. Today's Mitchell's birthday, not your day.
Yeah, finally I got it
Your
off.
weekend too. Oh.
Just ignore the
no, Mother's Day.
conversation
Mother's
that
Day, not Mother's
my dad's
weekend.
having.
It's Mother's Day. Yeah, watch. I'm not gonna get shit for it, so. Just another year like last year. Mm-hmm.
Guess they don't go in all that much. Right here, let's see.
I actually remember things you say you like. That's what I say. Why don't you get me things that I like? Something that I can use. You know what? You buy fucking clothes. Yeah, I'm talking about other stuff with that, so you have no clue. You buy me clothes and stuff, and that's something you buy at any time. When it's a certain special day, you buy something special.
Nope, it doesn't fit.
Otherwise, I'll go buy you a bra.
Okay, well, that doesn't work. I mean,
We're
it does,
waiting.
but not with the caps, and I like my caps on it. I guess we could
I
try
already
different
told
ones.
you.
Do you try this one now?
Okay.
Be okay not to have the cap
So when it's
on.
Father's Day weekend, I want the whole weekend too. I already know.
This is so much quieter.
I'm sorry, what?
It also does not spin as long, like nowhere near as long.
Will you stop talking about my kids? You have no place. You don't need to right now. There's nothing to do with anything. Yeah, really.
We'll try this one now, I think.
That's what I said, right? Did I stutter?
Let's try it.
Wow. I'm telling you, I want to carry on with this day for Mitchell.
Okay, then we're just gonna put it back the way it was
What's
before.
Where are you? You're not here. You want to stay in Johnson Creek. Okay, you're just gonna keep doing this. I already told you I'd stop, but you're not stopping. So if
Correct.
okay, all right, we're gonna go. Hey, we're gonna
Is
go.
that?
We're gonna go. Nobody said anything. Yeah, you can't, because nobody said anything. Matt's playing with his fucking fidget thing. Mitchell's reading a book to
Put
Lucas
the
in the
bearings
back.
in. I'm putting this on.
Nobody's saying anything. I'm talking to you.
And then, hey,
I mean, not all of us can play baseball in the backyard with a wiffle ball and bat and have bases and run.
and bam. There you go. Fidget spinner, yeah.
I mean, if I had a body, I guess I'd wear my shirt less all the time too. Guess if I had a body, I'd wear my shirt less too. Now I know why you want me to wear, you like that. Not the only one. I'm not the only one. Like I told you last night too. Don't take pictures of me sleeping and stuff like that too, because it's not the first time you've done that with anybody. Maybe I should freaking lay on the couch too in a certain way. Let my shit just hang out. What are you talking about?
Alright, guys.
What are
Well,
you
that was
talking
just me taking apart a fidget spinner and putting it back together.
Whatever.
And I'll see you guys in the next one.